Hey guys, good morning. How are we doing? Let's go over Link. I just ended up doing the ADA video. You guys know that we're currently up 5.49% on this. I ended up calling 25% exit just this morning. And guys, this trade, along with the other ones, we've been doing very well. We are currently up. Let me get this out of the way where I create my thumbnails. We currently won our 54th for 54th trade. This was yesterday. So congratulations, guys. That's awesome. Just called the exit of 25% on ADA in here. So make sure you guys are updating yourselves with the Telegram channel. This is just all of my personal calls in here. It's like literally having me as a coach one-on-one so you guys can work with me and I can give you guys the best signals when I see them. Okay, we're going to go over Link today because Link, for you guys, you are currently up a total of 8.60% on the trade. So let's give you guys an update of how the trade went. And if you guys are brand new to this channel, I'll show you guys how to actually get in and trade the next trade, because we're trying to go for 60 for 60 trades. The account is currently up 11,377. Sorry, on the last ADA video, I was like 3,377. I made a little note of it. Sorry. Got a little tongue twisted there. Currently up 11,377, and I did end up taking that exit for ADA in here. Just to show you guys that I am live trading. I put my money where my mouth is. I'm in this with you guys, and we are having so much fun. Okay, let's go over Link. I called out the buy limit for Link over here on October 6th. Okay, that was the first buy limit for 25.41. Okay. The second buy limit and third and the fourth buy limit are way down here. I'll explain that to you guys in a second. I ended up calling a 25% exit on October 6th, which was the same day, and that was at 27.31. What happened in here is we ended up moving up. I ended up taking profits for all of us of 25%. 75% was still in the market. We moved back down. We did not get hit on our stop loss, which once I called this exit here, I ended up saying everybody move the remainder of your position, 75%, to the entry of 75% of 25.41. That would guarantee that we would not lose this trade because we have taken profits already. Well, the awesome thing about this morning, guys, is that we are currently sitting up here. I am looking to call another 25% exit just to get more of us out of the market. Watch for that call today on Telegram. I don't want to do it yet because I want to just assess some things in the market here today, but just make sure you're watching out for that. Okay, the price versus wall money flow trend exhaustion. We got to watch this, guys. When this hit this top section up here, as well as the trend exhaustion, well money flowing green and this up here, guys, this is a place where we're not going to see great movements back up. This historically is where we're going to see drops in the market. This is why we use this indicator over and over and over and over. The price versus wall money flow and trend exhaustion is going up in price. I am raising the prices of both of these, okay? Make sure you guys snag those. They're in the description. I'll show it to you in a second. But I want you guys to focus here. When we get up into this top red sections here, this is where that happened. Right up here into this, basically it's a pump move. A lot of people are FOMOing into these top positions when we're in the top red section, and this is not the time to be doing it. This is the time to be holding off and taking profits in your long trades because this is calling the huge drops back down. This also called the drop up here before it happened on these moves up into this top red section. This called the drop before it happened there. And then we started pushing down to the bottom red section here. We could not go any lower and we actually pushed straight back up. Guys, I promise you, these two indicators are literally the best ones on TradingView for crypto. I say that because I have actually personally coded indicators for TradingView.com 2 years ago. It's how I made my living. I've coded over hundreds of indicators. These are amazing, okay? So this is also calling the bottom here before we start seeing a move up. What I want you guys to look at right now and what I want to conclude with all of that is to say this. We're sitting in this like neutral area where we're not really sure what's going to happen here. There is a ton of indecision in the market. This was a bull flag. If you guys understand the technical analysis of a bull flag, you have your flag pattern here, and then you actually have, your pull pattern, and this is your bull flag right here. If you guys give me a second to draw this out here, I'm talking too much. This is the bull flag. It usually pushes up. A lot of people thought we were pushing up here. It came straight back down, and now we're trying to make another attempt. This, to me, tells me that there's indecision in the market, and people aren't really sure what's going on. If you guys watch the ADA video, look at the smart money and Wells and institutions. They're just confused right now. Like, look at Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin went through the roof, and look at Solana. It went down. Like, look at Bitcoin up here, taking off, ripping. And then you look at ADA over here and it hasn't even done anything. Like, a lot of people have been speculating about this. What is happening? Why did Bitcoin go up so much and it didn't actually bring the altcoins up with it? There's not much actually happening. XRP didn't even go anywhere. It basically just stayed into a channel over here and just stayed there. So it's really interesting of why this is happening. Personally, guys, I don't mean to be rude about this. I don't even care that it didn't go anywhere because we're making good money in here. But I want you guys just to follow this because our risk management strategy is going to pick us up where everything else fails. Promise you. Okay, let's go over the actual metrics today because I want you guys to watch this because next time the actual whale money flow gets in the top section up here and this pushes up here, those of you in this trade, we need to be looking to take another 25%. I do believe that could push us up to this level, probably somewhere close to about this $30 range, maybe $30 and like maybe $31. I think $30 is probably where we're going to hit next time we push up into the top red section. That is where you need to be looking to take another 25%. So if I'm not on the Telegram channel or if I'm like taking care of our baby, which is like 5.5 weeks old now, been keeping you guys updated on that. His name, by the way, is Trenton. Love his name. So anyways, once this pushes up into the top red section here, we need to be looking for a 25% exit. Do that yourself if I don't call it out, but I will try to do some of that on the Telegram channel. Okay, let's go over the metrics for Link today. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Real quick, guys, just a quick pause. For those of you guys who want to get into this trade and you want to start trading with us, you need to sign up for your membership real quick. It's over here. It's $49. Awesome. I tell this to you guys in every video. $49, get access to all the metrics as well as the Telegram access, and you guys get all of the trade setups. Come over to live trades, scroll down here where you see Link, scrolling on the second page. It's probably the second one down here. Click Link right here. This is what you guys are going to see. Click Link. Open this chart. What you guys are going to be able to see is a chart that looks exactly like this for Bitcoin. So you're going to see the price action in white, and you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price this morning in yellow. These are your 4 buy limits. If you have $1,000, put 25% at each level. So 250, 250, 250, 250, whatever amount you guys want to trade with. Put those in there as buy limits. Once your first buy limit gets hit, set your basically a sell limit at the first yellow line above the first buy limit that you got into, and that's how we're trading this. Come down here, click Telegram. It has a hot link. It will automatically add you guys over in here. You do need to set up your Telegram account first. It will add you guys over there. And then last but not least, make sure you guys are getting the indicators because I am raising the price of the price versus the well money flow. I'm raising the price of the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. Like, guys, all of these are going to be going up before the end of the year. The bundle pack, however, is not going up. This is the best deal possible. This is where you guys want to be snagging this because this is going to stay the same while all of these increase, okay? Just want to get that out of the way so you guys don't feel like you're missing out on anything. Okay, back over to Link. The emotional index is sitting up here and excited. This is where I see retail traders looking to start pumping their money into the market because they're like, oh my gosh, it's going up without me. This thing is just going to keep going. It's going to keep going. They say Bitcoin going up and they throw their money in. Okay, usually when this happens, this is where we start seeing moves back down. Obviously, we're not into the greedy section yet, but that's where we could be heading. This ended up seeing a move back down. Now, on some pump runs here, we are going to sometimes see this extend itself a little bit, but eventually a lower, basically a low, a high, and a lower, a low, a high, and oh my gosh, a lower high comes into the market. I'm not kidding, guys. I'm getting so tongue-tied this morning. I'm so sorry about that. What we need to be watching for in here is for the emotions of retail traders to get excited. This historically is where we're going to see wells and institutions looking to short the market out. If you guys follow me down here, where we are seeing this happen right now on the metrics. Last time they ended up doing this, we saw a very fast move down when the price started moving up. Okay, a lot of people getting very excited in here, and this shows us that a lot of retail traders are putting their money in, they're FOMOing into the market, while wells and institutions are accumulating their short trades and they're dropping the market back out, making a ton of money moving back down. Okay, I want you guys to be aware of that because right now that's what we are seeing. If we come up here to the on-chain metrics for Chainlink, it's kind of funny there. What we saw here was something very interesting. We saw this move up. We saw a bunch of short trades enter into the market, which put us right up here around this area. The price did drop a little bit in here, but I don't think it was as much. It wasn't as much as they thought. Apparently, it was enough because short trades have completely dropped out of here, and this could actually be a sign, guys, an argument of why we could start seeing this move up a little bit further. Okay, that is why we still have positions into this market, and I haven't called 100% exit on this because it could happen. When you guys see the trend exhaustion in the middle section here, this just simply tells me that we need to be patient. When we get up into the top sections up here, that's when huge things can happen. All indicators in a ranging market are going to be pinned to the center, okay? That's what we need to just be aware of. So watching the on-chain metrics here, I'm like looking for maybe just like long trades to increase a little bit. If anything, actually, if you guys are watching this, long trades are actually decreasing just slightly here as the price moves up. So that's actually a bearish sign. So like I said in this video, there's a lot of indecision in the market right now. it's hard to call what's going to happen next. I'm not going to try to predict it like I know what's going to happen. It's just a hard time right now. Bitcoin's taken off. Other coins are actually going down while Bitcoin's going up. It's like really weird. Best thing to do, get your buy limit set up the risk management. That's how we're taking advantage of the wins in here. I promise you guys, the risk management, the indicators and metrics are going to help us out here. Okay. Pushing up here into the great short trade section. Again, this was telling us, guys, we have seen a nice pump in Link, and this could be due for a move back down. And I do believe that could happen as well. Right now, we're in the neutral section, though, okay? We need to be very clear here. What are we at this morning? The metrics will update in about an hour here, but right now we're in the neutral section, okay? We're just pending here. We're waiting. Look at this. We had a lot of wells and institutions look to go short, and they're actually moving this out of the market and getting back closer to the center point. This, again, signals indecision in the market, okay? This is clear. If you guys, literally, like I said, if you get anything out of this video, it is you need to make sure you set up your buy limits and your entries. Why is that? If we start moving down here, you're going to get triggered into your long, and you're going to be able to ride this up. Great. You'll make profit if we go up. If it hits your buy limit and we keep going down, we have 3 other buy limits, guys, that this can drop out on us. If we go down, it'll actually put more money into the market, and we'll make more money as it goes up. This is how we are winning both ways. And I literally have traders who are like, man, Travis, I hope the market goes down now that we're in a long trade because I'll get more money into the market. I'm like, yes, guys, you finally get it. Like, as the price goes down, we're going to make more money. As the price goes up, we're obviously going to make more money because we're in the profit. This is how we have not lost a trade yet, and we are 54 for 54 wins, and we'll probably hit 55 for 55 wins maybe later today or Friday for ADA. This is crazy, guys. So let's take a look at this for Link. Pushing into Link here, I do think we're going to possibly try to see a push up here by the end of October to $32. Let's get this very clear on the charts here. This is structure high. I do believe this is an absolute possibility if we see enough bull momentum into the market to get up here. If we are still in this trade, guys, we should absolutely have exited already at a minimum 50% and have our stop loss moving. I will keep you guys updated this on Telegram. That's why it's so important, you guys. Literally for $49, you're getting me as a personal coach. You guys get all the metrics, you get all the trade entries, all of that, guys. It's insane what you're getting, and our traders are making thousands of dollars literally on a weekly basis, and it's not like a lot of money they're trading with, okay? Look, follow me over here. If we start moving down real quickly, where are we going to hit? The strongest level of support is down here at $22, okay? $22 puts us right down here. This is where all of these wick bottoms are. This is where we could move down. Our second buy limit, guys, is way down here. Like, we're totally fine in these trades. I want you guys to understand that. Like, you're going to look for other strategies online. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just be like, okay, I get it. Like, as we go down, and if this price hits the second buy limit, do you guys know where our break-even entry is? It actually goes in the middle here. Because I told you guys in the beginning, remember $1,000 and we put 25% at each level? Because we put equal amounts at each level, like if you have $10,000, put $1,000 at each buy limit. Then once your second one is hit, your break-even entry actually moves down with you as the price goes down, making your risk to reward ratio better, and it also makes you get into the profit faster. Guys, this is how we're winning all of our trades, and I'm calling this all out for you guys. It's insane. Come over here and make sure you're signed up. Just want to say that. Okay, dollar cost average entries. If you guys are taking any of these entries here, you're basically holding for 5 to 10 years. We're waiting for another call to come out here, and then we're going to look for this pump move back up. It could happen any day now. I'm not sure. If we start to see another move down, we could see that kind of, give us another sign. This is for those of you guys who want to hold for 5 to 10 years. Watch this over here, though, however. Exit points over here said that, you know what, guys, watch out. We could be seeing a move back down. This has called some very nice moves back down in the market before. Definitely seeing that called a nice move there. We called a nice move there. This did end up correlating to a move down and a very nice bear market move there. Now, your question is, Travis, what's going on over here? Well, simply what this is telling us is we need to look to exit positions. This would what's technically called scaling out of a trade. We don't know when the market is going to crash or when it's going to go up. We have indicators and metrics to help us give us an advantage, and I would say we have about a 75 to 80% advantage here. But at the end of the day, the market can do anything that it wants to do. We are just trying to speculate. All of us on YouTube, everyone in the world trading, we are speculating what could happen, and that's why we're using these metrics to give us an edge, is what you see. So when you guys see this in here, instead of us exiting 100% of our position, I'm literally proving this to you guys, we're going to be taking profits out of the market, at least 25% like we already have, so we can lock in profits in case this moves back down, because there's always a chance that we could be moving back up. Once this goes off like a light bulb for you guys, you can be like, oh my gosh, I get it. With the indicators and metrics, we're able to give ourselves an idea of where the market's going. With the risk management, we're able to protect ourselves if we're wrong. Okay, guys, you have to hear that. With the indicators and the entries that we're using, the buy limits, that's how we get into the trades. The indicators and the metrics, that's telling us where we expect the trade to go. With the risk management, every time the indicators and metrics are wrong, which they will be wrong 20 to 25% of the time. I'm not trying to be arrogant about my metrics being like, 100%. No, they're going to be wrong 20 to 25% of the time. All of your indicators and metrics will be. Where they are at fault, you guys are going to be kept safe because of the risk management we're using. All that to say, proof over here, which is why we are 54 for 54 wins, and we haven't lost a single trade here yet. I've had guys over here being like, Travis, actually, this is kind of fun to show you guys. I had someone over here, they're like, I actually went 5 for 5 winning trades, and it's been like really fun for them. Let me see if I can find this here. I've done 5 trades in a row now, and all in the profit. This is so cool. For the first time, I'm doing successful trades in a row. Like, have you guys traded crypto and not been successful? Like, for the first time, this guy's been successful for 5 trades in a row. And it's crazy. This guy's doing $2,000 down here. This guy did $6,000 on Solana, $10,000 on ADA. I have 6 more testimonials. I'm going to update. Actually, I'm probably going to do it later today. I'll update it on this website. $40,000 in 3 weeks. Like, let's just scroll way down here and see what these guys are doing. $4,000 to $5,000 with the metrics. Okay, you made me $1,000. Like, I feel so awesome. Some of you guys are literally like wiring money once you're taking your profits overseas to help support your family. Those testimonials are like so heartwarming that we're able to do this for you guys. It is so much fun. I'm so excited for you guys. Made close to $700 profit on Ethereum. $100 here. Like, look, we're not going to just show you like all the huge profits. A guy made $100 in 10 seconds. He's jacked about that. Like, I'm excited for him too. We have guys doing $60,000 here on ADA and then 2,148 here. Moving down just to show you guys a couple more here. Like, read all these in here. I like showing that to you guys. 5x in here. This guy made, guys. By the way, I made around $30,000 in the last 2 days. $30,000 in 2 days is insane. So anyways, just letting you know, I made $13,600 when ADA went to $2.01. Yes, we all got into ADA down at $2.01, $2.02, and we wrote it up from there, which was insane. So $13,000 in 2 days for ADA. Anyways, guys, come over here, get your membership, sign up, get your buy limit set up under the live trades. Okay, live trades, set up all of your buy limits for all the coins. My highest predictions here are for Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, and VeChain are my top picks, okay? Once you have that set up, come down here, click Telegram, get into the Telegram channel over here, and do not miss getting the indicators over here, which are predicting the moves up and down before they happen, and they are going to go up in price. The bundle pack is the best. This is what you guys want to be sticking with if you want the long-term value of this. God bless you guys so much. Congratulations, guys. We're up 8.60% on Link. I'll keep you guys updated over Telegram. Have an amazing day. Come trade with us. We're going 60 for 60 winning trades in October. I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description or the pinned comment on this YouTube video or over at the website. Have a good one, guys. Get everything you need. Come join us. Let's make some profit. See you guys.